Next, Isa, is your math. You're already done with this, and for today, you're gonna answer this one. Okay, we begin with number 1. Can you read this?
5 plus 1 equals 6.
Okay, do it. That's not 6. Yan, good. Number 2.
1 plus 6 equals 7.
Good. Good.
Like that. Mommy, no, like not a stick and a stick.
It's right. Like this, Number 3.
6 plus 1 equals 7.
Okay, do it.
7 again.
7 again, ano? Like this, switch lang siya. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. It's the same. Okay, what's this number? Number 4. Answer. 1.
1 plus 7 equals 8.
It's like a
snowman.
Go, do it. Yan. Okay na yan. Number 5.
7 plus 1 equals 8.
Like this again, ano? Switch lang siya. It's the same answer. Okay. And if you add 1 to a number, the answer is gonna be the next number. Diba? 7. What's the next number after 7?
7 plus 1 equals 8.
Yeah, right. No, if you count 7, what's the next number after 7?
1.
No. 8. Yes, 8. If you add 1 to a number, the answer is gonna be the next number.
8.
If for example this, what's the next number after 5? What's the next number? Yeah, 6.
6.
If you add
Mommy, the sun!
1 to 5,
Mommy, look, the sun!
add 1 to 5, the answer is
6.
good. What's the next number after 6?
1 plus 6 equals 7.
Yeah. Okay, you read everything again. Start from here.
You still get some water.